Hello everyone, today we are going to explain how to log in Windows PC using Gmail user and password. It's interesting, right? To log in Windows PC using Gmail user and password, you need a software. The software name is GCPW. GCPW stands for Google Credential Provider for Windows. Let's see how we can log in Windows PC using Gmail username and password. First of all, you need to download the software. Go to the device to mobile endpoint and there is a Windows option. And now you can see there is a Google Credential Provider for Windows GCPW. Then just click download and then download. Okay, then install it. Just open add work account, click here, then use your Gmail user email address, use Gmail password, you are now login using Gmail email address. Thank you for watching. Take care.